All right, everybody. What's your name, young lady? Sophia. And what are you going to do today? Are you going to be my video editor or a producer? You don't know? You're going to do the kids version of the Plow Day, right? So you're going to ride on this John Deere. What model is this? It's a John Deere what? B. B, okay. And you're going to pull this 2-bottom plow, right, with your dad? Sound good? And while you're riding, you're going to take some video for us, right? You got this? Give me a high five. All right, you got it.
I'm getting my own phone.
Yeah, you're not getting your own phone. You get your own video.
I got my own phone. Hi, Hannah. Hannah.
You're going to set it up first.
This is Hannah. Guys, this is Hannah. I introduced him. Hello. I'm still recording you.
Yeah, actually I have one in my Man, that smells good. It's twisting me, like it's pushing me. That might not be so bad. Sit around with that.
Look! Daddy, I can do it right there.
Come on,
This is easier. Mine is easier. How does Daddy get one?
how we doing? Is it good? Got a good shot?
Yeah, maybe no.
Recording.
Do you have the turning one? Yes, you do.
All right,
How do you
Sophia.
get the turning
I gotta
one?
have her in my video too. She's my new executive producer, and she's creating her own video. We're videoing video. Oh my God, it's so crazy. You're crazy.
I want the turning one.
Oh, you're upside down. Whoa.
I want the turning one.
All right. So tune into that one. There's going to be a bonus special episode of the
I want the turning rod.
of the Sylvia Plow Day. So Sophia Plow Day. All right. All right.
Give me the
I gotta
turning.
grab Doc here. I gotta get his video. Okay. All right. Let's go over here. We can get him when he goes back by.
I want the turning rod.
It doesn't turn.
Yes, it
Well,
does.
you can't have this one. That's the one I got for you. All right, come over here so we can video him coming back. Okay.
No, I'm gonna put it on. I'm putting it on the ground.
All right. Just try to keep this part out of the dirt, okay?
Okay.
I don't think he's coming back. Let me get cheeseburger over here.
Cheeseburger. Come, cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. I can literally walk in this slowly down. Why is this? Why is that so far? I can't even see. How is yours closer? How is yours closer?
Because I zoomed it in.
Yours?
No, this is Brian's daughter.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
she's my executive producer. She's doing the kids version of the video.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. No,
All
I
right.
got, I got the 102 done.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Well, just to be some
This
detail.
one does go down.
But I got on it Wednesday night after
Uh-huh.
3.5 years.
Yeah.
Can
Hey,
you
baby
just
steps,
move
you know?
it?
It
That's
was
what
all
you
I
gotta
could
do.
do to get on it
Can
and
you
get
just
off
put
of it.
this
But man, it
down,
felt so good to
please?
drive it.
Yeah, I bet.
See, it does go down.
No, that's not what it's for.
So, Ken, we just take the middle of it and just run it all the way down?
Daddy, when are we
Yeah,
gonna
just
do
Nice
that?
long passes.
Yeah.
Well, just go to... Take it all the way down to the field?
Yeah, no,
Daddy, when is it gonna
But
be
we're just
our
not going past the peanut machine because they're using that strip for the photo later, right?
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
peanut
that's-
machine?
Right there.
What peanut machine?
All right.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. So between the peanut machine and where the garden tractors are.
Yeah.
Okay.
I would kind of
What peanut
lean
machine?
towards the garden tractors.
These are
What peanut
Because
machine?
I didn't think they were going to bring for the photo, bring it all the way down.
I'm not
I
sure.
see where they.
Da, 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 ba, ba, da, ba, da, 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 da,
That's what I'm saying. Maybe we're better off running to the end of the field. Go down there where nobody gets. I mean, they got this down by
Yeah, let's just go down there. That way there we're away from everybody. Last thing we need to do is plow the photo area. We'll be kicked out, banned for life.
Yeah.
You can say the president told me. Put it off on me.
What peanut machine?
Easy. It was bound to happen.
Daddy, what peanut machine?
That blue thing. Oh, wait.
Plow day's over.
Hold on a second, guys.
That's me, bro. Look. Look. Why is it so dark? I can't see anything.
Get some video of us loading everything up at the end of the day, right? Get some video of your dad too. Got a lot of stuff to chain down.
can I go? I'm gonna get on the trailer. You tell. You tell them.
Well, it's the end of the plow day, and we're getting all of our equipment loaded up. You got the, is it pointed at me, or are you looking at the trailer deck? Hello, hello. Oh, you're looking at my hands. So we're hooking on all these straps and chains so that the tractor doesn't fall off. We don't want that, right?
No.
Nope. We got to be safe.
I'm gonna try to put this up.
All right.
I really want to keep this. Can I please keep it?
No, I need it. I got to make videos. Are you recording?
No.
No?
Yes. I am recording.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wait. I think I left it off. No, it's still recording.
Yeah, you're still recording. So what was your favorite part of the plow day today?
Nothing.
Nothing? What? Why not?
Because they were all plowing everything.
Everybody else is plowing everything?
Yeah.
Uh,
But my favorite part was the sand pit.
Sand pit, yeah, that looked like it was fun. Did you go down the slide at the sand pit?
I went down both of them.
Oh, there's two?
Yeah.
That's cool. All right, so sand pit was good, but there was a lot of people here today plowing, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it was pretty busy. This is the busiest I've ever seen it. So, yeah, the land got plowed up quick. Usually we get to spend a couple hours out here, but a lot of big tractors and
Oh, the big tractors were only doing it. None of the little tractors were doing it.
yeah, well there was some,
But yeah.
yeah, it got used up pretty quick. Plus a lot of the land they had planted. I think they planted potatoes. And
I think they were peanuts because they have a peanut.
oh,
peanut.
maybe. So yeah, so there was a lot of land that we usually get to plow that we didn't get to plow this time because they already planted stuff. But that's okay because this is their business, right? Plowing is for fun, but their crops are for profit. That's their business.
Do you know that they can hear you?
Yeah. All right, let's see.
Are
I'm
you
gonna
sure?
put this around here. Put this over here for now, somewhere.
Put it up there.
There we go. That'll work.
Wasn't gonna say that. Wait. I'm gonna set it on
All
the.
right, we're going to tie down this stuff over here now.
Okay.